Hi guys, today I'm here talking to you to help you try and make your Civil War webpage. So as you remember from the assignment, you were going to create a webpage about topics that interest you during the Civil War. So I gave you a list of some of the topics that I have research links for that you might be interested in. If you're not interested in any of these topics and you have something else that you'd like to do some research on, just let me know and we can work on that together. So in order to create your Civil War webpage, you want to make sure that you've read all the instructions, that you've looked at the rubric so you know how you're going to be graded, and that you are ready to go. When you are ready to go, then I would suggest using Google Sites. Now, do you have to use this website creator? No, you do not. You can use whatever one makes you happy, but this one is pretty easy and it's free. So if you go into Google Docs, you have you're logged in. See, that's me logged in right there. And so then you get this little checkerboard where you're going to find your Google Drive when you usually log into Google Docs. So when you click on it, you will find sites. Now, if you don't see sites in the top list of document or Google things that you use, then you would go to more, and you'll find sites in the list. So if I go to more, even more, if I still can't find it, because I think that it puts the things in there that you use most often. So if you go down under Home and Office, you'll find Google Sites right there. So you can do it either way if it's not in your little checkerboard box list. So what I'm going to do here, once I get into my Google Sites, I've got a lot of them that I've created. So I'm going to go to Create a New Page. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to name your site. So you want to name it with your name, so I know that it's yours. And then whatever your topic is. Okay, so I'm putting my topic and my name in the name of your site. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to browse for the gallery, because why create the wheel, right? If somebody else has already done it, why not take their good work and make it better? But if you want to just start with a blank page and be creative yourself, that is always your option. I'm just a little bit more of a slacker than that. So anyway, I'm going to go to look through these sites here that are already created. You can check out the templates. You can see what other people have done. And then you choose something that like appeals to you. So I kind of think this one looks cool because it has some like fireworks that remind me of the Civil War. So I'm going to select this template. So once I have my template selected, you can see right here that I chose the infinity template. I'm going to go to create, and that's going to start my page. So once my page is started, you need to remember that you want to include pictures. You want to have links to web pages about your topic for people to be able to study with. You want to make sure that it looks nice and that you have all the information that somebody would need who's going to be studying for the final for this unit, which will be next week. So the idea is that we can all use each other's websites to study for the test. So anyway, here is my site. So this is all just filler stuff that came on the template. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to this little pencil right here to edit my page so I can get rid of some of that mess. So this picture I don't want, so I choose the picture and then I'm going to choose X. So now I just have this text. So I'm going to change it to be my text. All right, so this is what my page is going to be about. I'm going to be getting rid of this picture, but let's say I want to put another picture in. So I'm going to choose, I'm going to go back out here to Google. I'm going to do a Google image. I'm going to search for an image that has to do with my topic. So I'm going to say home front, Civil War, oopsie, yeah. Okay. Okay, so I see lots of different images here, people at home during the Civil War. All of those are cool. So I'm going to choose this one just because it looks pretty cool. And then I'm going to go to view the image. So this is a slide share that is published in January 21st, 2011. It is, it looks like it's part of a larger PowerPoint about the Civil War home front. So I might even want to insert that entire slideshow into my presentation. The thing that you need to remember is you need to cite your sources. So this person is the author of this PowerPoint. This is the name of the PowerPoint. It has the date when it's published, so you're going to need that information when you cite your sources. But for right now, I'm going to just copy this image. I'm going to copy the image URL, so that's the address of the image. And then when I go back to my page, I'm going to get rid of this picture, and then I'm going to insert the picture that I just found, and I'm going to use the web address, and there it is. Now it's kind of cut off a little bit, so I'm going to make it, instead of, you can change the size of the picture that you have down here. You can also change how it's aligned. So if I want it to be centered on the page, you can do that. And you can also wrap the text. So if I want the text to be like going around the picture, that's what I would do. So, oops, I just got rid of my picture, didn't I? So I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to insert my image with the address. And then I'm going to change it one more time to be a little bit smaller. Okay, so, and I'm going to change the alignment because I want it to be centered. There we go. Isn't that nice? So, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have cited my sources. So I'm going to put a citations list at the bottom, and I'm going to go back and get all the information I need in order to cite my sources, because you want to make sure that you give credit for all the things that you take from somebody else. Okay, that's just not only is it just nice, but it's also important in our school. So right here you have some other links. So you can create multiple pages to be linked under your home page. Now, if I wanted to create one page about women, one page about a home front, one page about, you know, with interesting facts, I could do all of that here. So I'm going to save what I've done so far and then show you up here how you can change lots of different things about your site. So if you go under Manage Your Site, you will see that attachments will be those additional pages. So all of the different things, you can look at those attachments to find the things that are on your page. In addition to that, you also can I don't think there's anything else really right there that we need to worry about. But sharing and permissions is really important because you want to make sure that everyone can see your page. So you want anyone with the link to be able to see your page. Not just people in Jefferson County, because we have students who are not in Jefferson County who are in our class. So you want anyone, and you don't want them to be able to change it. You want them to be able to view it. So that's important too. All right. So I think that's basically it. If you have any questions about how to do this, if I'm going to go back to my site here. So if you have any questions about how to do this or what to do, please let me know. The idea here is that you're going to tell the story about your topic. You're going to explain your topic, how your topic impacted the Civil War, how it impacted people during the Civil War, what happened, how did it start, how did the Civil War change it, and why should it be remembered? All of those kinds of things are the things that you're going to tell in your story. You're going to use pictures, you can use video, you can use image, whatever you need to do to tell your story. That would be great. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I look forward to seeing your pages. Have a great day.